Ever leave a big box store, look at your receipt, and feel your stomach drop? You might be overpaying, and your local dollar store could save the day. Financial analyst Austin Kilgore from the Achieve Center for Consumer Insights shares 5 everyday items the middle class should definitely buy at dollar stores, plus what not to waste your money on. Item 1. Party supplies. Kilgore says dollar stores are the real MVPs of birthday parties. He says even helium balloons, decorations, and gift bags are basically identical to the pricey versions, just without the party-sized bill. Item 2. Small quantities of groceries. Need 1 can of chickpeas, not a lifetime supply? Dollar stores are perfect for that. It's not about buying bulk, it's about buying just enough to avoid waste. Item 3. Sports drinks. Post-game hydration doesn't need to be a financial workout. Dollar stores often have the same brands, with smaller bottles and smaller price tags. Item 4. Disposable food containers. From plastic wrap to paper plates, Kilgore says it's okay to go generic. Translation: save your money for dinner, not the containers you save it in. Item 5. Cleaning supplies. Same ingredients, smaller bottles, same sparkle. Your bathroom won't know if that disinfectant came from Dollar Tree or a boutique cleaning aisle. Hunting for deals makes sense, but Kilgore acknowledges that trying to get every item at the lowest possible price isn't always practical. So skip the guilt, skip the markups, and remember, saving smart beats saving perfect every time. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.